Hello and welcome to I Love Cheap Cars, your go-to source for all things Toyota. I'm Sean, a Toyota Master Diagnostic Technician with over a decade of experience wrenching on these vehicles at a Toyota dealership. Today, we're diving deep into the 2013 to 2018 Toyota RAV4 and RAV4i Hybrid, two of the most popular compact SUVs out there. Whether you're shopping for a used RAV4 or already own one, this video will walk you through common problems to watch for and how to inspect them. If you find this helpful, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let's get started. The 2013 to 2018 RAV4, part of the fourth generation lineup, is known for its reliability, practicality, and family-friendly features. Available in trims like LE, XLE, Adventure, SE, Limited, and Platinum, plus a hybrid option from 2016 to 2018, there's a RAV4 for everyone. But even Toyota's bulletproof reputation isn't flawless. Let's break down the key area of engine, transmission, body, chassis, electrical, and hybrid-specific issues to help you spot problems before they become expensive headaches. Let's start with the engine. The 2013 to 2018 RAV4 uses a reliable 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, with the hybrid adding electric motors for extra efficiency. But there are two issues to watch for. First up, an oil leak from the front timing cover. This is more common in latter models, especially 2016 to 2018. It's not a catastrophic leak, but it's expensive to fix because it requires partial engine disassembly. Think $1,000 or more at a dealership. Inspecting this is simple. Pop the hood, grab a flashlight, and look at the front timing cover where the engine meets the transmission. If you see oil residue or drips, it's a red flag. If the car's still under warranty, typically 5 years or 60,000 miles for powertrain, get it fixed for free at a Toyota dealership. If not, negotiate the repair cost if you're buying, or budget for it if you own one. The second engine issue is a water pump leak, which affects both gasoline and hybrid models, especially the 2013 to 2015 gasoline RAV4s. Look for a telltale pink streak on the hood insulation. That's coolant thrown by the belt when the water pump leaks. You might also notice a low coolant level in the reservoir. This is an easy fix, usually $300 to $500 at a shop, but why buy a car with a problem? When shopping, check the hood for that pink streak and ensure the coolant level is normal. For owners, replace a leaking water pump promptly to avoid overheating issues. It's a common wear item, so don't be too alarmed, but it's worth checking. Moving to the transmission, there are two issues to watch for in non-hybrid RAV4s. First is torque converter shudder, most common in 2013 to 2015 models. The torque converter sits between the engine and the 6-speed automatic, and a software glitch can cause it to fail. Here's how to spot it. Take the car for a test drive and get it fully warmed up. Drive at a steady 40 miles per hour, then coast or lightly accelerate while maintaining that speed. If you feel a vibration that shakes the whole car, but disappears when you press the gas harder, that's the shudder. Toyota extended the warranty for this issue, up to 8 years or 100,000 miles in some cases, so contact your dealership to check coverage. If it's out of warranty, a torque converter replacement can cost $1,500 or more. The second transmission issue affects 2014 and 2015 non-hybrid RAV4s, both all-wheel drive and front-wheel drive. A manufacturing defect in the transmission case can cause a major oil leak. You'll see red transmission fluid pooling under the car. Impossible to miss. Most of these were caught early and fixed under warranty, but some slipped through. I recently saw one at my shop out of warranty, and the owner faced a $4,000 bill for a new transmission. When inspecting a used RAV4, crawl underneath or have a mechanic check for leaks. A dry transmission case, like this one, is what you want. If you spot red fluid, walk away unless the seller agrees to replace the transmission. On the body, let's talk about two quirks. First, brake light bulbs burn out frequently, especially on 2013 to 2015 models. At my dealership, we replace these bulbs almost yearly, usual for a Toyota. Replacing them isn't cheap because you have to remove the entire taillight housing, about $50 to $100 at a shop. When buying, ensure both brake lights work. If you own a RAV4, Budget for frequent bulb replacements. It's a minor annoyance, but good to know. Next is the power back door, found on higher trims like XLE and Limited, both gasoline and hybrid. These can be problematic, especially on 2013 and 2014 models, if the car's been in a rear-end accident. Test the power back door during a test drive. It should open and close smoothly and sit centered in the frame. If it's misaligned or doesn't open fully, check the car's accident history. Motors for these doors cost $800 or more to replace. Also, check the owner's manual for height adjustment settings if it doesn't open high enough. Avoid cars with rear damage to save yourself a headache. Let's move to the chassis, starting with brakes. RAV4 owners often complain about short brake life, sometimes as low as 10,000 miles, rarely past 30,000. Toward the end, you'll hear grinding or feel pulsation when braking. This is just how the RAV4 is designed. Brakes wear faster than other Toyotas. Highway drivers might get more life, but city drivers, brace yourself. Replacing brakes is affordable, around $300 per axle, but check pad thickness when buying. Also, if the car sits in humid or rainy conditions, expect noisy rear brakes. It's normal, and Toyota's tried fixes, but the grinding goes away after driving. If that bothers you, this might not be the car for you. On steering, the RAV4's electric rack and pinion system is sensitive to accident damage. A misaligned subframe from a crash can cause the car to pull to one side, and no alignment will fix it. When test driving, drive calmly and focus. Is the steering wheel centered? Does the car track straight without pulling violently? Test steering effort at low speeds. Turning left and right should feel equally smooth. Uneven effort or pulling could mean a damaged rack or subframe costing $1,000 or more to repair. Check the car's accident history to avoid these issues. Electrically, the main issue is the radio, especially in 2013 to 2015 models. These early radios suffer from pink screen syndrome, where the display turns heavily pink, or they reboot randomly, or don't start at all. Before buying, test the radio thoroughly. Turn it on, check the screen for pink tint, and ensure it doesn't reboot. A replacement radio at a dealership can cost $1,000 or more, and there's no repair for the ribbon cable issue. Later models, 2016 to 2018, are more stable, but if your radio acts up, try resetting it to factory settings and repairing your phone. Older phones can cause rebooting, so delete the car from your phone's Bluetooth and start fresh. For the 2016 to 2018 RAV4 Hybrid, the system is generally reliable, but there are unique concerns. The high-voltage battery sits under the rear seat, and spills, like juice from kids, can damage it, potentially totaling the car. Check the vents on either side of the rear seat, visible when you open the back doors. Shine a flashlight to ensure they're lint-free and not clogged. A blocked vent can overheat the battery, shortening its life. Owners, avoid covering these vents with seat covers or blankets, and clean the filter regularly. Your dealership can help. Or check our future video for a DIY guide.